Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to create and post manual journals on Xero. Alright, so let's begin with the video. To begin, log into your Xero account by visiting the Xero website. Once you're on the dashboard, navigate to the Accounting section by clicking on Accounting in the main menu. From the list that appears, look for Manual Journals and click on it, as this is where you will manage and create all your manual journal entries. To create a new journal entry, click the New Journal button. Start by entering a clear narration in the narration field, which helps anyone reviewing your financials understand the purpose of this entry. Then select the date for the journal entry. If the journal entry is temporary and needs to be automatically reversed in the future, you can set a reversing date as well. Once that's set, begin adding line items to your journal. Select the appropriate account for each line item. After choosing the account, enter the debit or credit amount. Since every journal entry must balance, it's important to double-check your figures. You can also add a description for each line item to provide extra clarity, which can be extremely useful during audits or future reviews. When all your line items are complete, you have two options: save the journal as a draft or post it directly to the general ledger. Saving it as a draft is helpful if you need more time to review the entry. But if everything is correct and properly balanced, go ahead and click Post to finalize the journal entry and immediately update your general ledger. And that's it. So that is how you can create and post manual journals on Xero. So that's all for this video. Thanks.